Then Vaniveda. Process mantra. So mantra में पास and names. Can you also remember one slokas from Shastra? Srimad Bhagavatam. One slokas you have to collect. As I give an example, if you garland, then collect many types of flowers, many different colors of the flowers. In there, the part very nice to make the one garland. In the same way, mantramaya upasana, this way, slowly to remember the mantras and slokas. And Vedas, all mantra is called also sloka. Is called. Because all are Vedas essence, that is called Srimad Bhagavatam. Sarva Vedanta Saranghi Srimad Bhagavatam Mishra. Tad Rasamrita Tiptasa Nanat. Sarva Vedanta Saranghi Srimad Bhagavatam Mishra. The Sarva Vedanta Saram, the essence of Srimad Bhagavatam, the essence of Vedas, that is called Srimad Bhagavatam. So you are chanting by reciting the slokas of Srimad Bhagavatam. That means you are also remember the Vedas is there. Because Sarva Vedanta Saram, the essence of Vedas, that is called Srimad Bhagavatam. And this verse is saying this. Sarva Vedanta Saram Srimad Bhagavatam Mishrati. So, in this way, you also remember. And for this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Sanatana Goswami Pad had very nicely explained this way, especially in Bhagavad or Kamarichi Mala, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. And Sanatana Goswami Pad, Brihad Bhagavatamritam, Rasayan chapter, he also explained all these things.
How to choose the verses?
How do you chant? When you chant holy name, listen, then automatically spontaneous comes in your heart. Huh? Understand? This is the process. Shantara sloka, Dasara sloka, Vatsalara slokas, and Madhurya Bhagavat or Kamarichimala Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely explained this. You read Bhagavat or Kamarichimala or not? You heard this slok, what is called? Grantha Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Bhagavat or Kamarichimala. In Portuguese or not?
No.
In English.
Huh?
English also not available.
Not English available? नहीं हर जगह इसलिए गुरुदेव नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज मैनिफेस्टेड देश हो गया इन हिंदी बंगाली ऑलरेडी देयर भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर जी इसलिए गुरुदेव श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज मैनिफेस्ट भागवत और कमरिचमाला है हिंदी दैट आई डोंट नो हु इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेटेड और नॉट है यू ट्रांसलेट you can translate, huh? You know English, so you can translate.
English, yes.
English to Portuguese. Huh? Very nice. Nice Granthi there. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur step by step explain all these things. Then Sakara Sloka, Dasara Sloka, Vatsalara Sloka, everything is there. And Samanda, Ovidya and Prajanta is there. Why I am speaking, we are not translating. Who is the translator?
To combine
Other rasa you can do. First you learn everything, then when you come in the stage of asakti bhav, then automatically manifest in heart. Tato sadhu sang bhajana anarthamite nishta ruchi and pain.
We are rope, pose,
Huh?
pose.
Impose arup is okay. Now we are aruping on arup siddha bhakti. Arup siddha bhakti, then sangha siddha bhakti, then sarup siddha bhakti. First need arup siddha bhakti, imposing. But we have to learn also slokas, all these slokas. Santara sloka, Dasara sloka, Vatsalara sloka, Madhurjara sloka, Vidya. Sanatana Goswami Pad in Brihad Bhagavatamritam. Paradevate Maya Sritanang Naradharukena Saddham Vijahu Kritapunna Punya. Actually, this sloka is Sakarash. But Sanatana Goswami Pad mode. Braj Parakya Bhav. Braj Paramur Modi there also. Sakarash Katha, but he explained about Braj Paramur Modi. What do you say? Bhakti Rasayan chapter. Sadhan bhajan this is more and more, day and night to absorb reading Shastra, Grantha, and chanting holy names. Then you develop your bhajan. Otherwise, Ayaram, Gayaram. Ayaram, Gayaram, understand? Many coming, going, new coming, old going. Where going, who knows? As like the tree, the many leaves coming or not? How many leaves? Many. Thousands of the leaves coming. But when they are one by one, the leaves falling down, conditional soul in the same way. But no. So for this regard, you have to give nishtha. At least when you come in the stage of nishtha, there are no chance to fall down. Nishtha huite upajay premiratarang. You are saying, Chaitanya Chaitamrita. Nishtha need. Nishtha steadiness. Nishtha is Nam Nishtha, Guru Nishtha, Bhajan Nishtha. Always I am emphasis the every day 3 times saying same verse. What is that? Guru Nishtha, Guru Bhakti, that is called the backbone of our sadhan and bhajan. Nishtha means is one pointed. Ekonistha. When you Guru Nishtha, then same Nishtha going to Srimati Radhika. Because first going to Nishtha towards Guru and then mature and transfer to Srimati Radhika. So Manjari Bhav means that the Radhika Nishtha. Radha Nishtha. But in the beginning you cannot Nishtha with Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika not in front of you. She will not talk with you. When Srimati Radhika talk with you, when you come in the stage of Prema Dasha. Understand? Many people are saying, oh, Srimati Radhika, she is speaking with me. That is not true. Because Shastra is saying this way. When sadhu will come in the stage of Bhav and Prema Dasha, then Lord will say, first need Saranagati. Saranga Saranagati hoibe jahar har prarthana sune Sinanda Kumar. Saranga Saranagati, completely surrender, respect of Guru and Krishna. Then Lord will listen your prayers. First need is what? Saranagati. Saranagati you have or not? You can ask yourself. If you have Saranagati, then Lord will listen your prayers. So Saranagati is very important. And complete surrender to Guru and Krishna. But is Saranagati not one day you will do, step by step. So there are the 6 limbs of Saranagati. You understand or not? Anukullasya sankalpa, Pratikulasya vivarjanam, Rakhisate viswaso, Goptite varnam tatha, Atmanikippa karpanne, Sadavidha Saranagati. Understand it? Or if you are not do simple way, if you have past impression, very simple. Guru Vakka Mani, Kori Gita Adhyayan, Chaitanya Charitamrita. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled in South India, that time Mahaprabhu came in one temple. Then he saw the one boy, maybe 10 or 12 years old. That boy, he was reading Bhagavad Gita. But his pronunciation is not perfect. Anyhow, his broken language, he was reading Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Big Panditas coming, no one give attention is Bhagavad Gita. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu seated in front of him. Mahaprabhu listened the Bhagavad Gita from his mouth. Then when Bhagavad Gita finished, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked that the boy, when you are reading Bhagavad Gita, why you are crying? That time he told, Sabdartha nahi jani, Guru agga mani. I don't know the particular meaning of these slokas. But according to the instruction of my Guru, every day I read Bhagavad Gita. So when I read Bhagavad Gita, then automatically what? And I say, and Arjun he is sitting on the chariot, or Krishna, and he is driving his chariot. And Krishna is the driver. Here is God. Krishna is driving the chariot. And Krishna very nicely with a smiling face, he is giving instruction to Arjuna. And when I open Bhagavad Gita, just reading Bhagavad slokas, Gita slokas, Sabdartha nahi jani. He told, I don't know the meaning of these slokas. But according to the instruction of Guru Agga, then I open Bhagavad Gita and reading slokas. And the Krishna, how is his beautiful, his form. And smiling form. And he giving instruction to Arjuna. This picture is coming in mind. Then Mahaprabhu told, you are reading Bhagavad Gita, then your life is successful. Because you have faith, instruction of Guru. So that means Guru Vakka Viswas. What Gurudev is saying, if you have faith, then automatically everything manifests in you. Understand this? So every day we are singing which song? Shri Guru Cha Rana Padma Kevala Bhakati Sadma Bandha Mui Sabodhano Mate Jahar Prasade Bhai हे भव तरिया जाई कृष्ण प्राप्ति होय जा होइते गुरु मुख पद्म बाक्य चित्ते ते करिया ঐক্য আর নাকো রিহ মনে আশা আর নাকো রিহ মনে আশা গুরু বাক্য বিশ্বাস What Gurudev is saying, that is the absolutely truth. These types of firm faith. That Sanskrit word that is called बोला आतंत की श्रद्धा है और श्रद्धा आतंत की श्रद्धा दृढ़ श्रद्धा है सिंपल है What Gurudev said, no arguments है Once Narad Rishi, once one sadhu, he was performing bhajan and sadhan. On the way Narad Rishi, he was going. Then, when sadhu saw Narad Rishi, he called to Narad Rishi, "Hey Narad, where are you going?" Then Narad Rishi told, "I am going to Vaikuntha." Where I am going? I am going to go and meet with Narayan. Then Sadhu told, when you meet with Narayan, Lord Narayan, then just ask to him, when Lord Narayan, he will give me darshan. Then Narad Rishi told, okay. Then after 3-4 days, few days, again Narad Rishi came back in the ashram of Sadhu. Sadhu asked to Narad Rishi, did you ask to Lord Narayan when he will give me darshan? Then Narad Rishi told, oh, I forgot to ask him. Next time when I will go, then I will ask. Then after 10-15 days, again Narad Rishi arrived in Vaikuntha. And he asked to Narad Rishi, he asked to Narayan, oh, that sadhu who is performing bhajan in sadhan under the, what is, tamarind tree, no? Imlital. That sadhu asked, when you will give him darshan? Then Lord told him, Narad, give my information to him. When all the leaves of trees, tamarind trees, one by one fall down, and in this way, one leaves of the trees falling down, that means one birth of the sadhu, and then all the leaves falling down. Then I will give darshan to him. So Narad Rishi returned back and told to the sadhu. When all the leaves of the tamarind tree falling down, then Lord will give darshan to you. Then sadhu is very happy. Sadhu danced. Oh, one day Lord will give me darshan. This is confirmed. Because all the leaves of the tree are limited or not. Maybe 1,000, 10,000, 10 million leaves or not. Leaves, everything is what? Limit. And so that means after 10 million births, Lord will give me darshan. This is confirmed. Absolutely truth. Sadhu is very dancing. When Sadhu that time he also gave. You told me that you will give darshan, and after 10 million birth, now you are giving to him. Maybe not one leaf falling down. Before one leaf falling down, why did you give darshan to him? Not that time Lord told him, Narad Rishi, he has faith with me. If he has faith with my words. Eh? Look this. Vishwas. Eh? So when this faith will come, then you Lord give person. Eh? Or another sadhu, but doing bhajan sadhana, but not faith. Many people do bhajan sadhana just showing to others. Tilak mala, I forget this word. Bhaktivinoda Thakur. They are showing to the holy name, everything, but not faith. And that sadhu asks, you are going to Vaikuntha? Eh? You ask to Lord, when Lord will give you? And ask to Lord. Eh? Then Naradishi, when he returned back from Vaikuntha and meet with that the sadhu, this second sadhu. Then sadhu asks, did you ask to Lord, when will give me darshan? Yes, I asked. But tell to me, the Lord, what he is doing there? And that sadhu asked to Naradishi, what is he doing? Then Naradishi told, I saw Lord, and he is taking one needle. Needle, understand? And the needle, he also puts in the back of the hole of the needle, he also puts one big elephant. And the elephant also cross there the hole of the needle. And he is coming and going. So Lord, he is doing this. Then that sadhu told, how possible? And that time, Bhagavan iti vacha. It means is what? Who is Lord Bhagavan? And this he has types of inconceivable potencies. So this type of faith. And if you have faith, every time he become very big. And so as like, what will say? The devotees of Lord. Who is devotee? Those are eternal associate of Lord. Like Hanumanji. You heard Ramayana? Hanuman, when he was going to take message about Srimati Radhika, Sita Devi, and crossing through the ocean and going to Lanka. This. But before sunrise, and Hanuman, he had to bring there the medicine for Lakshman. And so Lakshman, but Hanuman, he killed everything. So manifested in big and small form also. So those who have no faith, so how possible Lord will give darshan? So everything depends on faith. Vishwase milai vastu tatke bahudur. Everything you will get when you have faith. Or if you have no faith, you cannot get anything. Understand? Tarkat apradishthanat. And one day I told this katha. There is this sloka there. Mahajano gataso pantha. Or that sloka. Wala. Mahajano gataso pantha. Always following the instruction of Mahajana. Sadhu, Guru, Shastra are saying. Faith in instruction of Sadhu, Guru, Shastra. What is saying? Sadhu Vakka, Guru Vakka, Shastra Vakka. What Shastra is saying? This is the absolute truth. What Gurudev is saying? The absolute truth. When these types of faith will come, then we attain the perfect Sangha. This is the process. Oh, also one Lila is the Ramayana. When Hanuman, he was going to Lanka, and on the way, and one also demon, Rakshasi, she manifested big power. And she wants to salute to Hanuman. And Hanuman told, okay, you open your mouth and you can salute me. That the Rakshasi, she opened her mouth, then Hanuman entered her body, very small form, enter her body. And she moved as like mosquito. Sometimes mosquito enter her mouth alone. In the same way, Hanuman, he also manifested a small mosquito and enter her mouth. Understand? And enter his mouth and kill it was and come out. And this katha also there. So many Leela is there also.
When he came to Sri Lanka to search Sita,
Then Hanuman he entered in also Sri Lanka and he was searching where is Sita Devi, different places. Sometimes Hanuman also became very small, and sometimes big form, and many Leela is there. So in this way, Vishwas means faith. Guru Vakka Vishwas. This is the process of. If you have faith, then you attain. Or if you faith, you can attain your perfection goal. Or if you have no faith, millions births chant holy name, do nothing. So faith is very important. Vishwas.
how come you said that sometimes people follow the bhajan sadhana and do the practice, but they don't have faith? I thought if you're doing anything, means you have even a little bit of faith.
And if you have no faith, you are doing it. Many people are showing to the people. Not showing for the what is called for his own and sense gratification. Understand? So this is called the joy. No faith. Are many people, they what is saying. Even this many people. They're saying, oh, Srimati Radhika, she is talking with me. Oh, I am great devotee. I am speak very nice. This is completely what? False. This is not true. No realization saying this. Because he's saying, because innocent people they think, oh, he's saying this is true. So people also attack. This is true or wrong? Look this thing. So I told, when Srimati Radhika will talk with you, tell to me. When you come in the stage of Prem Dasha, then when you speak in the truth, then that people also saying, oh, why you disturb my mind? Well, you disturb first. Why did you say this Srimati Radhika talk with you? If Radhika talk with you, you should not tell. Prem manifested one's heart and he always hide. Understand? And same Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told. What the slok? No prema gandha osti hare darayupi. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu day and night crying for Krishna. Kaha mor pranad murali vadan, kaha ja paun Brajendra Nanda. Mahaprabhu saying na, Krishna Nanda Kula Chandrama, Sikipucha Mauli. Mahaprabhu day and night absorbed in the mood of separation mood of Srimati Radhika and crying for Krishna. Chaitanya Charitamrita, very clearly, crying and crying. Then Mahaprabhu, then although you have prem, the devotees asked to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you have prem, for you are crying. But Mahaprabhu hide himself. Mahaprabhu was saying, no prema gandha vasti dharayu. If prem manifested one's heart, he will be not tell to anybody. Huh? Who has lot of wealth of money, he will not show to anyone. Huh? This is true or wrong? If you show you have lot of wealth of money, then Gunda. Huh? Understand? Gunda understand? Thieves. And with a gun and take everything. I said, this is true or wrong? Eh? So who has prem, he is not showing, he will not say anything. Or who has no prem, he is saying, yes, Radharani, he is talking with me. Eh? Or next day, embracing boyfriend, girlfriend, stupid nonsense, rascal. This is the prem. How you tell to me? Huh? Prem is not so easy. Those are innocent people thinking, yes. And completely hard. Sahajiya. Sahajiya people, they are saying this way. And saying, ha Radhe, ha Radhe. Shedding tears and rolling on the ground. Huh? I said, doing this or not? There are so many people can say in India this also. Ha Radhe, ha Radhe. Look this.
But in the Uttama Mahabhagavad have do this, right?
Uttam Mahabhagavat. But he will not tell to anyone.
You do in hiding places.
Hello, our Goswami, he Radhe, Vajjalite, he Nanda Suno Kuta, Sri Govardhan Kalpapad, Vatali, Kalindi Vanne Kuta, Goshanti Biti Sarvatu, Prajapuri, Khedari Mahavyalo, Bande Rupa Sanatana, Gujugo, Srijiva Gopalako, day and night cry. Read this. For Goswami, Ashtaka. Read it? Yes. Krishna Kirtana Gana Nartana Paro Premamritambo Nidhi Dhira Odhirajan Priya Priya Karo Nirmatsaro Pujito Sri Chaitanya Kripam Vrdho Radha Krishna crying and day and night crying. If you come this stage, then and that time he will not tell also anybody, because the love is got there as like campfire. Understand? Vishwanath Chakravarti Prem Samput Grantha. You read this Grantha. What is Grantha? Prema Samput Grantha. Prem, love is as like campfire. Campfire keeping anywhere. One box and I tie. And if you put the campfire in outside, it will be what? In the same way, Prem manifested one's heart, he will keep in his heart. He is not swaying. Those who are Sahajiya, Sokhi, Veki, they say, ha Radhe. These are doing this. A little bit your tears will come, then he will be also hide himself. This is the process also. Sanatana Goswami very nicely explained in Brihat Bhagavatamritam this Grantha. Read there. This thing. And this is Prem manifested one's heart, and actual he cannot tolerate this. The body cannot tolerate the prema. Then he have to leave this body. So those who have no any tattva siddhanta think, oh, he is saying this is prem is manifesting. Akaitva Krishna prem niloke na hoy. Akaitva Krishna prem niloke na hoy. What is it called? Janan. Akaitva Krishna prem যেন যমুনা হিম সেই প্রেম লোকে না হয় in this material knowledge. Huh? Chaitanya Charitamrita. Those who are not reading Chaitanya Charitamrita, not reading Shastra, then there's many stupid nonsense people speaking, they think, oh, this is true. Huh? Or if you speak, hey, this is not true, then they will become very angry. Say, oh, you disturb my mind. I will not disturb your mind, I am speaking the truth. But you disturb the others. Or if you have really prem, why you saying to others? Why the cheating propensity? You understand? Yeah. Your cheating propensity, so I am saying that not you have prem, okay, you will say you have prem. If you are Nitya Siddha Parikar. Huh? So you keep yourself. Why did you tell to the innocent people, those who have no again? Why are you saying to them? That I have prem? Are Mahaprabhu did not say I have prem. Mahaprabhu has prem or not? Huh? But why? But Mahaprabhu is saying no prema gandha aste hare darayo. Saying or not? Huh? People, hey, so Prabhu, you have prem. And Mahaprabhu said, no. So why you are crying? And Mahaprabhu saying, oh, maybe some people will be say, oh, you are Uttam Bhagavat. Eh? Actually, I am not nothing, this thing. Eh? If I have prem, so why I am living in this body? So Mahaprabhu gave example as like fish. Fish, they have love with the water. If you take out the fish from the water, then fish will be flapping. Then we die. So in the same, Mahaprabhu saying same this way. If I have prem in my heart, so why I am living in this body? This is the humility of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he hiding everything. Sadhak can come only the stage of asakti and in the sprout of bhav. Bhavankure jane. One sadhak can come in the stage of which stage? Asakti. After asakti, the sprout of bhav, not complete bhav also. That is called bhavankuri jane. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad mentioned Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Kantravarta karaktang vrakti manasannata asavandho samutkantha namagane sadaruchi asakti tad gunanukhane pratitad vasati sthale itto surarjita bhavankure jane. There are the 9 external symptoms or 3 internal symptoms will come. Sarva Lakshan and Tarasa Lakshan. Read this part. Chandra Bharta Karaktam Bhrakti Manasannata Asabandho Samutkantha Namagane Sadaruchi Asakti Tad Gunanukhane Pratitad Vasati Stali Itturjo Surarjata Bhavankure Jane. Bhavankur. Ankur means the sprout of bhav. Or when bhav coming, then it sometimes you're dancing at the stage of rolling on the ground or not. If manifestation or go prem manifestation, why you not rolling on the ground? And Haridas Thakur, one devotee, one snake charmer. Snake charmer, understand? And he was playing the snake and taking his one stick and do. Then the snake also doing this. Haridas Thakur, when he saw this, Haridas Thakur chanting holy names and dancing and singing. Then all the devotees, they took the and put dust from Srimati Radhika. Haridas Thakur. Then one envious Brahman is there. Haridas is a Muslim. So why people they are taking the put dust of Haridas Thakur? I am Brahman. I don't know my that. then Brahman is thinking, oh, maybe I will dance this way. pretending, nakli. So in that the Brahmana, he also dancing. Haribol, Haribol, Haribol. Then Snake Charma he noticed, oh, this is pretender. Then Snake Charma he took on his stick and bitterly beat him, then he ran away. So those who are pretending, you can understand this. Those are innocent people, they think, oh, maybe prem in his heart. Haridas Thakur Shuddha Bhakta. Haridas Thakur chanted 3 lakhs holy names. Mahaprabhu give and name is Namacharya Haridas. What is his name? Nama Acharya. Namacharya Haridas Thakur. So sometimes people also are pretending. Those who have no Shastra Gyan, no bhajan sadhan, nothing. Oh, he is saying this is true. You understand this? So try to understand.
Other day you told about Sharanagati, the Swarupa Lakshana Sharanagati was
Goptitte Varananda.
Could you explain about this?
Goptitte Mana means Krishna is my maintenance. Rakhe Hari Marike. Goptitte means he is my maintenance. Understand? He is giving food or not? He is giving food. And as Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says also this. Ananya Chintantamang Jejana Parjupasate Tesa Nittavi Juktanam Yoga Kshemam Vaham. Krishna is giving this. Goptitte Varana. This is the Sarup Lakshana. Other symptom is called Tadasya Lakshana. You read Jaiva Dharma very clearly. And this thing. Goptitte Varanam Tatha Atmanikya Karpanya Saravida Saranagati. So try to understand when we are in the womb of mother, Matrika, who protects us? Who gave food to us? Where is coming? Krishna, he gave. Just the medium of mother. You understand? This is the thing. Actually, Krishna he is sending everything. When you took birth from the womb of mother, the milk is coming from the breast of mother. This milk is coming from where? Coming from Lord. He is giving. Understand? Because Lord is saying, this is not your son, this is my son. We are a conditional soul completely and so much, what is called? Dehatma Bhiman, Dehatma Buddhi. Thinking, I am maintaining, I am this. Actually, who is doing this thing? Krishna is. Are just other things that you are, parents, they are called the medium. Medium, do you understand? In the same. Krishna is sending. This thing. Faith is.
We always must do something, or plant, or begging, or we should always do something.
What do you think?
Because Krishna,
There is maintaining, but you should do something else.
yes,
Like, you should do some efforts.
Your efforts, then Krishna giving. Krishna give your hands or not. So your hands, you do something, work or not. But this, you do work your hands, who is giving the energy, Shakti? Krishna. Dadami buddhi yogam tang jeno mang upajanti te. Who is giving buddhi yoga? Krishna saying, I am giving the buddhi yoga. This is the thing. Dadami buddhi yogam tang jeno mang upajanti te. Krishna is giving everything. These types of faith need. Or if you have faith or not, Krishna is giving everything to you. But conditional soul, they completely elucidated by Maya, they are thinking, I am doing. And who is giving the water in the trees, those who are in the top of the mountain? You are going to give water there? No. So there that, who is giving the water? Krishna is giving. Eh? This is the thing. Actually, Krishna is giving, and everything is also, everything getting according to their karma. Krishna also saying the karmanye vadikaraste ma phalesu kadachan. Eh? Today you will get food or not. This is also written before. So for this regard, saying this, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told, Koti bhakcha drabya jodi thake ghare, and Ishar ichha bina bhojan karite na pare. If you have lot of food, wealth, money, but if Krishna's no desire, you cannot enjoy, you cannot eat anything. The Instagram, they are showing this very nice. One person is taking the try to eat the food. Then in the meantime, one eagle or bird came and took that. This is the process. Everything so conditioned soul means this. Everything predicted and predestined. You don't know just these things. And today you will get food or not. This is a predestined. Understand this? Anything happen, then you will go. So, you cannot eat. Everything written in there. So saying, Koti Mahaprabhu himself told, this is not my word, Chaitanya Bhagavat. Koti bhaksha drabya rahi jadi rahe kare, Ishar ichha bina bhojan karite na pare. Ishar ichha, according to the desire of Krishna. I said, not everything now, nothing in your hand. Everything is your Krishna desire. Just need this. You don't know, so you are doing anything, what to do, not to do. But if you are human being, so saying, okay, your endeavors, then Krishna's mercy will come. Chesta and Kripa. If you not go Chesta, what will be coming or not? No, Krishna is giving all your Shakti, energy, Buddhi, everything. You have to do this. So this is the niche. So Dambandhan Lila saying this way. And our efforts, endeavors, then Krishna's mercy will come. You do bhajan and sadhan, then Krishna's mercy will come. Even though, no, I will not do anything, Krishna will give. How possible? So for this regard, and on also slokas are also saying this. Nahi suptasya singhasya pravishyanti mukhe mriga. Lion is the king of the forest. Pasuraj. Lion is thinking, I am king. Hey, what is it called? Deer, you enter in my mouth. Deer will come or not? Right? So, lion also endeavors how to catch his food. Understand? In the same way, we are saying this. Nahi suptasya singhasya pravishyanti mukhe mriga. Lion is thinking, I will sleep, day, night, I will sleep. Kumbhakarna. And food will be enter my mouth. You have to do hard work. This. But you do this, how much you will get, not this is depend on Krishna. You are thinking, I do and come. This is not all. So these are Shastra giving this. So for this regard, given again, one boy, he fell down in the well. Well, understand? Kuwa. Then how will come out from the well? Then one person, they put the rope. Eh? So that boy, he have to hold the rope, then pull out. Eh? Other way, no, I will not hold the rope. So that means your sadhan and how to hold the rope. Then Krishna pulled out. Eh? Understand? This is the process. So saying this, no, he's so you do bhajan and sadhan, chant holy name, do bhajan. Then okay, now what is time now? 8:30. Huh? Today you say? Okay, no problem. Huh? Actually, yesterday was Purnima, no? Yesterday we are traveling, no time. Huh? 3 times ki bari katha. Traveling 6 hours. Huh? So today you can save. Huh? Good. Understand? Or finish, no? Huh?
Like that time, there is a Kadegaravane,
Huh?
and the bhajan Kadegaravane.
Kare Gaura Bane, Suradhani Tate, Haradeha Krishna Vare, Kandiya Vedabo, Deha Sukhachari, Nana Lataka. Siddhi Lal se Kirtan.
And there is one line, it's Papacha Grihite.
Sapacha Grihete Magiya Khaiva, Viva Saraswati Jal.
I'm just interested, like, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, like, I will go on the banks of Yamuna and take Madhubari from Swapach.
So who will go?
But Swapach, they...
No, who will go? Which types of devotee will go bringing the Madhukari from the house of dog eaters? Huh? Are you listen first? Who will go? What category of devotee? They are Uttam Bhagavad they are going. And if you take that food from the what is called dog eater, then your mind will contaminate. But those who are Uttam Mahabhagavat, and the Gaur Das Bhajimar, our Goswamis. Huh? You understand? Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu also took prasad from the house of what Sannyasi? Dari Sannyasi. Dari Sannyasi, he drink alcohol and staying with the others lady's wife. Nityananda Prabhu can do this. You can do this. If you do, then you will go hell. Direct. You understand or not? Nityananda, even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ran away. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai. One day, Nityananda Prabhu told to Gaura Sundar, hey Gaura Sundar, and today Ekadasi, come and take darshan sadhu. Nityananda will trick, you know. Nityananda Prabhu, he came with Gaura Sundar in the house of that sadhu. Very nice, listen Harikatha. Then after sadhu gave some prasad. He's eating everything. Because Nityananda is Avadut. Nityananda is called Avadut. Also Bhagavad Tattva. Nityananda is called Baladev Prabhu. Our Baladev Prabhu is non-different from Krishna. Abhinnatanu Gaur and Krishna. There are no difference Baladev and Krishna. And so Nityananda Prabhu ate everything. And when prasad finished, but Gaurasundar he did not, he just sitting. Then when almost prasad finished, that sadhu, he told his wife, hey, bring Ananda, Ananda, Ananda. Mahaprabhu asks, hey Nitai, what do you mean Ananda? Nityananda Prabhu, he knows the language of all kinds of sadhu. Different kinds of sadhu. If you go India, different kinds of sadhu. So Nityananda Prabhu, he knows the different language of the sadhu. So for there Mahaprabhu asks, hey Nitai, why is saying this is what? Bring Ananda, Ananda, Ananda. What is the Ananda? So this is the language of the sadhu. Ananda means wine, alcohol. So that means this sadhu is drinking alcohol. Well, yes. Then Mahaprabhu, oh, this is sadhu darshan. Then Mahaprabhu ran away and jumped in the Ganges and crossed. So the Avadhut. So one who comes in the stage of Avadhut stage, then he can do Madhukari and take the Madhukari from dog eaters.
It's like his
Originally.
that's sad.
No.
So for this regard, this verse is saying, Sapacha griyete magiya khaibo pibasa rasati jalo. That is called Siddhi Lalsa Krishna. Siddhi Lalsa Bhajan. And this Lalsa means looking. When that day will come, I will receive these types of prem in my heart. Saying this. So if one who not coming in the stage of Bhava and Prema Dasa is doing Madhukari from the house of dog eaters, then the problem will come. Come or not? So saying, actually this kirtan is Siddhi Lalsa. Lalsa means what? Longing, love. Then when that day will come. If at Kabe means Habe, Kabe means when that day will come. Not today. When I will attend the stage of Uttam Bhagavad or Prem Dasha. This is our aim and object. This. Or if you not come in the stage of Bhava and Prem Dasha, do this, then big problem will come. So say, Kabe Gaud. He used this word Kabe. When that day will come, I will become these types of devotee. Kabe Gaud Bane Suradhani Tate Haradhe ha Krishna Bole Kandiya Vedabo Deha Sukha Chari Nanalata Toru Tole Are Puline Gora Gori Dibo Kori Krishna Kola Holo. You are going Navadvip Dham or not? You rolling on the bank of the Ganges?
Yes, artificially.
By force, stupid. Stupid person can do anything. Understand? But you can, I'm saying this, with your faith, you do pranam, take the dust on your head. Understand this? First to do with the faith. That faith is also soft faith. And so saying, Kave Gauda Bane Suradhani Tate Haradhe ha Krishna Bole Kandiya Vedabo Deha Sukha Chari Nanalata Toru Tole. And this song is very nice. That's the Siddhi Lalsa actually. Lalsa means longing for perfection. But just prarthana. And prarthana means you can pray this way. Why not? But you don't think, oh, I am Uttam Bhagavad and rolling on the ground. Then take direct flight, go back to go back to Brazil. Take care. Take care of body. This is true. This thing. Always I am saying, take care of your body. But do bhajan step by step. You understand or not? Not thinking, just imitate. Oh, then Shastra says, and huh? Then big
we
problem.
can't adopt this.
Huh? See, arope these things is how much you tolerate your body.
You tolerate
How much tolerate your body.
yeah,
Huh?
as much as your body tolerates.
Huh? You can do this, right? I'm not saying not do anything. Huh? You can take prasad, honor your prasad. How much you have need. Not less and not too much. Huh? Everything you have to accept according your body. Huh? Do you understand? And if you digest, you can eat 10 times and until throat your until fill your throat. Mahaprabhu saying, Akanta Puriya Karo Prasada Sevan Nachaga Bhakta Sange Karo Sankirtan. Mahaprabhu tell her na, take prasad, Mahaprasad until your vomiting. How much you take? So Mahaprabhu said, first line he is saying, Akanta Puriya Karo Prasada Sevan. Oh, Mahaprabhu tells why I am taking prasad. And next line what he is saying? Hala. Nachaga Bhakta. That way, no, I will not do dancing. Taking prasad until your throat. Eh? At the next verse, what is saying? Dancing? We are not dancing. So, first line is very nice. Oh, this is good. You understand? First line is good. Or second line? Oh, this is not for me. This is not my adhikar. Hey, pagal.
You can dance a lot.
Huh?
No tiredness. You can dance.
Done. Take Mahaprasad and dance. What do you have to need? I am saying this. Understand? Bhakti is this way. What is the slok? Whatever you need, you can accept. Jukta ahara, jukta viharasya. Jukta ahar means what is the need for your body, you can accept. Everything is what? Balance. Jukta ahar, jukta viharasya. Not what is it? Completely renounce or not completely enjoy the sense gratification. Understand? How much you take sleep? This is depend on your body. Too much sleep or not sleeping, both also are. The unfavorable for your bhakti. Understand this? Everybody's body is depend on you. Elephant, how much eating? Many. Big body. So he can eat more. And our mosquito, small body, eating little drop of blood, this is enough for him. Or what is called? Ants. So you cannot compare with the elephant and understand? Thousand ants food or elephant only one bite is going. Elephant body and ant's body depends on not. So, your big body you can eat more, have small body, skinny, eat less. So this is no problem. Understand or not? Your body is big or not? How many kilos are you?
Oh, about 90.
90. You?
110.
110. So, are you? You how many? 35, 60.
No, 79.
79. I nothing. How many I am? 45. No, 55.
55.
हाँ.
Guru me escreve.
Huh? Yeah. Good enough. Everybody, according to their health, they can eat. Huh? Understand? Chant holy name. चलो जय जय श्री राम. So today, what is the program again? Maybe come 11:30. Take now breakfast and take rest. Then again 11:30. Start kirtan. Then 11:30 to 12:30 kirtan. 12:30 to 1:30 Harikatha. Then you take lunch 2 o'clock. 2:30 as like I don't know what they will. बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की है. हरिकथा फेस्टिवल है. Give emphasis. Today night also program here, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Tomorrow night also here.
Tomorrow night also here. Then
Thursday, Porto Alegre. Night time.
what time? Night time.
Night time. 5:30 starts there.
Okay.
So beautiful place.
Huh? Yeah, very nice place. Good. Many years I'm coming here. How many years coming? Oh, Rag Lekha. 18. 16 years.
2008 was the first
2008
time.
you start. 2008 you start.
2008.
Yeah, you start.
A nice place, eh? Haro Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki. Nice cows. What is the name of cows? Kalindi. Govinda Nandini. Or where the cups?
The council was with them, her mother. Got eating grass.
So before we are going to where the pilotus, no?
Pilates.
Uh,
Pilates. Yes, from the
Pilates,
deep
Pilates.
south.
Pelotas, Guru, em Pelotas, a gente lembra.
Yes, you used to go there.
huh?
You used to go there.
You used to go to Novo
If you'd like, we can start doing programs there.
A nice place, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Many places here. You're coming, going. That is so much enthusiastic, eh? Maybe next year go. Next time.
Next year, dear.
Huh?
Next year.
Very nice big place.
That
Huh?
farm.
Yeah. Oi. Well,
We can make Gurudev in Pelotas some programs before
huh?
to prepare that you can
Yeah.
come.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. जय जय श्री राम. हरो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. जय जय श्री राम. ओके चलो.
Jai Shri Gurudev ki
हाँ. We collect the jackfruits. Bring the jackfruit. Where?
there.
Bring. I cook. Huh?
The neighbor, né?
They will give or no?
I can ask him.
Okay.
Can go ask.
Okay.
Ask permission.
Yeah, Gurudev, he likes. Jackfruit. बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल. चलो.
A tia não sabe. A decoração, né, tia? A decoração agora. Agora ainda vai ter salão. Tá? Porque daí...
Ele chutou a bola? Chutou. Ah, eu não vi.
Eu sei que no meu porta-malas do meu carro tem mais um aqui. Tá vazio também. É suficiente, eu acho, né?